Hi everyone, Mrs G back again with a speedy set of 6 common exception words. If you've got a few minutes, let's see if you can read and recognise the correct spelling of some of our Year 2 common exception words. The words that are quite tricky to spell, we need to be able to read and spell them independently by the end of Year 2. There's only one way to do that, guys. Practice, practice, practice. And don't worry if some of them are tricky, come back as many times as you like. Are you ready? So, this one is causing us problems in class. Find. Find. Think about the book we read, which was about finding gold. You've seen that word. Think back to where you've seen it written down. Find. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Find. Think you've got it? There it is, number 3. F-I-N-D. Fabulous. Getting a bit harder now, these tricky ones that you just need to know. Okay, so improve. It can sound like I'm saying improve, but it's improve. Now, you can use something that you know about another word. If you know how to spell move, there's 3 letters after the that make the oov sound, and they are also in the correct spelling of improve. This is a tricky one, just have a go. Okay, we'll practice lots in class as well. Improve. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Pause the video if you need more time, and don't worry if you don't know. That's fine. Let's just practice and see how good we can get. It's good to practice. Improve. Number 1, I-M-P-R-O-V-E. And improve is like move. Move is M-O-V-E. So O-V-E in both of those words is saying oov. Well done. What about break? I hope the cup doesn't break. Now, all 3 of these words have got an A phoneme in them. The one that makes this hard now is an A sound we don't use very often. In great steak, A, it's 2 letters that say other sounds as well. So here we are again, tricky spelling. B-R-A-K. Now, if Mrs G has ever written great work in your book, I've used that sound, the same sound that's in the word break. B-R-A-K. Think you've spotted it? Number 1, number 2, or number 3. That's it, number 2. B-R-E-A-K. Fabulous. Now, I'm going to give you another word that's got the A sound in, E-A. Steak. Which is the right way to spell steak. Use what you've learned about spelling break. S-T-A-K. Steak. Think you've spotted it? Number 1, number 2, or number 3. There it is. It's that E-A sound again. S-T-E-A-K, number 1. Well done. Oh, Year 2, this one keeps coming back to get us. Would. Would you like to be as good at spelling as Year 2? You've got to practice. Remember in class we say, oh you little duck, to help us try and remember things. It's not number 1. Spelling would be much easier if it was, wouldn't it? Would. And it's a tricky word, but we have seen it a lot in class. Think you've got it? Number 1, number 2, or number 3. It's number 3, isn't it? W-O-U-L-D. Would, could, and should are all oh you little duck words. Well done. Last one of this set is another tricky one. You might see it in letters that I send home. Parents. Parents. Got to make sure I say it so you can hear the sounds. It actually looks like it should say pairnts. So this is one that you just need to know. Again, don't worry if you don't know. Have a guess. Pairnts. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. Pause the video, ask someone to help you at home if you need more help. And the correct way to spell parents is P-A-R-E-N-T-S. It was number 2. Leave me a like if you knew lots of those words and if you're coming back next time. Bye for now.